Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have access and assets. Begin by selecting sales as your objective. Once done, choose conversions if you track purchases with a pixel or catalog sales for product feeds. Make sure to connect billing and verify the pixel is firing. This matters for optimization. Then pick a conversion event like purchase or lead. Start building the campaign immediately. Name it clearly with date and offer. This first step sets targeting and measurement, so be precise and intentional. Once the campaign exists, configure your ad set. Define audiences using custom lists, lookalikes from converters, and exclusions to avoid overlap. Next, choose placements or let automatic placements optimize delivery. Then set budget, daily for steady spend, lifetime for a fixed window, and select a bid strategy like lowest cost or target cost. For ads, upload one and vertical assets, write concise headlines and a clear CTA. Make sure creative matches audience and you're ready to publish. Review ad previews, confirm UTM tags, and ensure pixel events map to goals. Once launched, monitor performance intensively for the first 24 to 72 hours. Watch CPC, CTR, and conversion rate. Make small/B changes to creative or audience rather than large edits. If things go wrong, like conversions not recording, check pixel status in Events Manager, verify URL parameters, and use the pixel helper. Re-upload assets only after confirming data is accurate to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.